Hi, it's me. Hey guys, so this is what we gonna build today. Hello, hello. It's me and I'm alive. And today we're gonna plant this painting. And I'm gonna use pliers. I think they call pliers. Fishing line. That's like metal strips you can bend and put it in the foam. Sphagnum moss. Staghorn, and add my tillandsia or air plant, and it has a little pop. And another one I couldn't resist buying. It's pretty and it was cheap. And of course I will need some Spanish moss. Anyway, now I will move you and let's start working. And this is the orchid I wanna mount. So probably this orchid will not survive, but I am still willing to try. So guys, this is how it looks. I'll try to... This orchid is from IKEA for maybe $3 on sale. The flowers are beautiful. Tillandsias, and one tillandsia already got the pop. I had it for quite some time. Stockholm fern, I got it from Tropikhuset in Malmö, from the owner of the Tropikhuset. And Salmonella, I will put the correct name or the right name of it. It's not fully open yet, well, we will see. And you cannot see the basket because I tried to cover with the sphagnum moss. And well, and this is how it looks. Guys, I hope you like it. And so guys, once again, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.